Backup cameras on trucks, cars, RVs, trailers, they're pretty common these days. But what if you have an older rig that doesn't have a backup camera, or you want to add an additional camera for a different view? Many people are put off by trying to install a backup camera because they don't want to have to deal with wiring. They don't want to have to figure out where the power is going to come from. This unit from Foxpark might fit the bill for you. It is wireless. It is rechargeable not only through a USB cord, but also with its built-in little solar panel. It's about as simple as it gets when it comes to installing a backup camera. I haven't had a chance to use this camera very much, but I did an unboxing and was impressed with the quality. The monitor, when you turn it on, is a really crisp video. It gives you a really nice image of what the camera is showing you, so I was pretty happy with that. The unit comes with a suction cup mount, and one of the things that I liked about it is it comes with plenty of cord. The camera that actually mounts to your license plate seems pretty solid. It's well put together. The mounting bracket seems sturdy. It also has features like the ability to tilt the camera. I believe it's 70 degrees up or down. I have an idea of how I might use it a little bit differently on our rig, but I want to see how it all comes together, and I'll do a follow-up and let you know how things are working out on this camera. In the meantime, keep on trekking.
And we'll see you out there.